Hey traders from all over the world, welcome to April 2018. It's your boy Jeremy Alexander Newsom with reallifetrading.com. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. As you likely know, every single month I come at you with a new video and a new challenge. So April is Surprise Yourself month, which the mission of April is to do something you've never done before, ever. I'm gonna give you some very specific challenges this month, and I hope of course that they enrich your life. Challenge number one, if you have already done this, that's totally fine. Just find another thing to do. So number one is do hot yoga. I'm scheduling some hot yoga sessions with Ashley, she doesn't know it yet, and a buddy of mine, and so we're gonna do hot yoga. I've never done it before, so I figured let's do it. It's gonna be sensational, so that's a challenge for you. If you've already done hot yoga, then maybe a rock climbing gym or some type of other fitness class or some type of bicycle class, whatever it is, some type of physical exhilaration to be involved. Challenge number two is I want you to go to a city that you've never been to before. Now, don't only just go to that city, I want you to go to that city and sit down, enjoy the surroundings, and eat or drink something. So like give yourself some time to really soak it in. And that's really it. Those are your two challenges for the month of April. I'm 100% positive you can accomplish both of those. Feel free to send me any videos or pictures on Twitter or YouTube or Slack channel or Facebook or Instagram, however you want to find Real Life Trading. We do the whole social media thing. Folks from around the world, thanks so much for being a real life trader. Thank you for helping us with our mission to enrich lives, and I'll see you later.